Hi everyone, it's Keagan with BriteBee.com, where we take the sting out of insurance searching. You've been searching for business health insurance and the search results are in. Today we're meeting with Ruth Ragusa over at FleurINS Insurance Agency to learn a little bit more about business health insurance. And if you like the sound of that, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Now, let's get down to business. So, what types of health insurance options are available to the business owner?
So, there are several different types of business health insurance options, and those types of plans are differentiated by the provider network. There are preferred provider organizations, which give you the choice of getting care from in-network or out-of-network providers. Point of service plan, POS, lets you get medical care from an in-network and out-of-network providers, but you usually have to choose a primary care doctor from a list of participating providers. Your primary doctor from there can refer you to another network provider if you need additional referrals. Health maintenance organization, HMOs, usually limit coverage to care from providers who work or contract directly with the HMO. An HMO generally will not cover out-of-network care except for emergencies. If you use a doctor that isn't in the HMO network, you may have to pay the full cost of the service you get, and HMO members usually have a primary care doctor to give those referrals.
How do I determine which insurance plan is best for me?
It is dictated by how much you can spend a month in premium. The HMOs are generally lower premium because you are using a closed network, and the preferred provider organizations usually you're paying a premium to have access to those doctors without a referral. So again, I think if you start with your provider, and let's say your provider is only on a PPO network, and if you don't want to switch, there's your answer. You're going to go with that one. But if you realize that you don't have a relationship with your primary care and you are interested in changing doctors so you can save premium on a monthly basis, you have that option as well.
How much is health insurance for self-employed people?
The cost for health insurance for a person who is self-employed will vary by state and carrier. As of 2014, all of the premiums on the individual market are community rated, and that means that it is determined by your age, geographic location, and whether or not you use any form of tobacco. Gender is not a determinator in this premium amount.
Can business owners write off health insurance?
A business owner is able to claim tax deductions. If you are a business owner, self-employed with no employees, you're eligible for a health insurance tax deduction for the self-employed. And if you qualify for this deduction, it means that you are allowed to deduct 100% of your health insurance premiums from your adjusted gross income every year. Just remember that this is a deduction for self-employed individuals and their dependents. It's not for small business. If you are a small business with employees, you may also qualify for the Small Business Healthcare Tax Credit, also known as the SHOP credit. And if you enroll in a small business health option program, it's generally the only way that a small business or nonprofit can claim that tax, and you must have fewer than 25 full-time equivalent employees. Your average salary for those less than 25 has to be an average of $50,000 or less. You must, as you are required, to pay at least 50% of your employees' only premium costs, and you must offer it to all eligible employees who are full-time.
Don't just take our word for it. If you'd like to learn more about business health insurance and what type of health insurance is right for you, head over to BriteBee.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.